guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Like I promised in my last video, I have this package that I got not too long ago, and it has more summer accessories, so let's get started. Got my scissors and I'm gonna open my box. What the package looks like inside with the DAVIDsTEA sticker. I got my mailing list. Oops, all my samples fell. So let me see which ones I got. I got Cold 911, Cocoa Colada, and Forever Nuts. And Cocoa Colada was one of the teas that I didn't pick up in the summer tea haul, so I got a sample. And my mailing list. So let's get started. I got some bubble wrap. And first thing I see in here is the glass iced tea bottle, and look, it comes with this cute little sleeve. The sleeve isn't shown online, but it says in the description, so this is the first time I'm seeing it. It's really cute, aqua blue color, and these go for $25, and ooh, on the card it says $1 iced tea of the day. I guess that's really cool. So let's see how much. This holds 18 ounces and it's glass. Look at that. I saw this in store and I decided to get it online because I just really wanted it. This is what it looks like. Really cute. In the sleeve it goes. And I believe this one comes in a pink, an orange, a lime green, and this minty color. The next item I got is my green printed tin in the mandala design. And this one was $3. So now I have the matching pink and green ones. Yay! The next items I got are the Perfect Spoons. And these ones were $7 each. And these are my favorite colors, blue and green, so I just had to get them. And this came in pink, purple, orange, green and blue. Yay! And these are different from the ones, the printed or the all colored ones. These have like the silver ends. Yeah. And then the next item I got is the summer pitcher with the mandala design in the green. Look how beautiful this is. It's so cute. And this one says it serves 8 servings. Yeah, and this pitcher came in this really cute pink color, and then the design was pink and orange, and I absolutely love that one too, but I chose the green one. And this one is $28. So yeah, love that. And now I can start steeping all my iced teas in this pitcher. And now that it's going to be hot out, I can use my glass iced tea bottle. So that is all for my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my videos, and see you in my next one. Bye!